Hi. In this video, I would like to tell you about some more important tools. These tools will make your project dynamic and multi-facet. So be focused and follow each step to get proper understanding. Rotate tool can either rotate an object on its own central point or around a different location point selected by you. To rotate an object around its own center point, simply select it with the selection tool and then double-click the rotate tool in the toolbar. This would open the rotate tool dialog box. In the dialog box, enter the value for the angle, let's say 20 degrees, and then select copy. Don't click on OK, as doing so would rotate the object itself instead of creating its duplicate copy. This would create a duplicate copy of the object which would be rotated by the angle of 20 degrees. You can repetitively press Ctrl D to create more duplicate copies of that object, rotated at the given angle. But if you want to rotate object around some other object, let's say around a circle, then first make a circle, then make a small circle at a distance. Then take rotate tool and place axis point right in the middle of the circle. Then divide the 360 degree by desired number of the smaller circles. It will give the angle of rotation. Select the smaller circle and take rotate tool. Press Alt and click right in the center of bigger circle. A dialog box will open, then enter your calculated angle and press copy, then Ctrl D to get desired numbers. Let's design a watch. Take ellipse tool and create a perfect circle by pressing and holding Shift key. By utilizing guides, place this circle right in the middle of artboard. Then give it a suitable color. Then to make hours mark, make a smaller circle and place it at the outer portion of big circle. We need 12 hours mark, so 360 divided by 12, it will give us angle of 30 degree. Then rotate and copy smaller circle with the angle of 30 degree. Group hours circle. You can repeat the same process to create the markings for the minute hand. But put the angle as 6 degrees for creating the minute markings. Now make hands of the hour, minutes and seconds. Group each hand individually. Select all hands with Shift. Now give an effect of drop shadow to hands to give those 3D effects. Effects, then stylize, then drop shadow. Pathfinder tool in Illustrator is the ideal tool to help you to fine-tune your project. This tool is capable of maneuver shapes and paths that you can use to speed up the process. Learning this tool is important as it lets you create complex shapes very easily. In this video, I brief you about the basics of the tool to help you to create precise shapes and paths in your projects. Getting started with Pathfinder. To access the Pathfinder tool, you can start to the window drop-down menu and find the Pathfinder tool. Pathfinder panel. Unite. Add to shape area. Use to join the outer edges of selected objects into a compound shape. If you click O Unite, it will unite selected object. But if you press Alt and then click, it will unite the selected object, but path will exist and you can modify further by using Direct Selection tool. When you sure that now your object is perfect, then press Expand. Now the object will be joined permanently. Alt and click will minus the front shape of the selected objects. And again, you can further modify by using Direct Selection tool. You can also increase its size by Selection tool. When you sure that now your object is perfect, then press Expand. Now the object will be joined permanently. Intersect. Intersect shape area. Used to preserve object areas that intersect. Exclude overlapping shape areas. It is used to change overlapping areas to transparency. Divide, used to create a separate, non-overlapping object from an overlapping area. It divides the two overlapping object into three. As intersected area becomes third object, you need to ungroup it first, then you can separate these three objects. You can cut an object also with the help of divide tool. Trim, used to preserve the frontmost objects and delete objects behind and overlapping. Merge, used to merge adjoining or overlapping objects with the same fill attributes. Crop, used to crop the frontmost objects. Outline, used to create an outline of the overlapping objects. Minus back, used to remove objects in the back.